Is the winter chill turning your back into a constant ache that just stops you in your tracks? Look, if you're scrolling through pain right now, pause here, because this could change everything. And rainy days intensify lower back pain. It causes muscles to contract tightly. This increases tension around your spine, and this worsens underlying spinal subluxations and misalignments. That leads to disruption of nerve flow, and that amplifies the stiffness, hip and or knee issues, even things like chronic fatigue and mobility loss. They won't stop winter's cold from aggravating subluxations in your spine, which lead to bigger problems. Chiropractic care targets the root cause, spinal subluxations, which are exacerbated by cold-induced muscle tightening, reduced circulation. They pull on nerves in a particular way that actually leads to more pain and discomfort. Spinal adjustments can gently realign the spine, freeing the nerves for natural healing. A research study in 2025 confirms that chiropractic care reduces opioid use by about 50% for lower back pain, and it outperforms meds, with 57% seeing major relief versus 33% on medications. Empower yourself this winter with simple self-help tips. Stay warm with layers, or a heating pad to ease the muscle tension. Do gentle stretches like knee to chest or cat-cow poses to improve flexibility. Maintain good posture to support your spine. Stay active indoors with walks or yoga to strengthen core muscles, and hydrate well, as dehydration can actually worsen the stiffness. These align with chiropractic principles to help reduce stress on your spine and minimize the risks of subluxation. Now, for long-term benefits, chiropractic care prevents future issues with joint problems or weakness in 71% of patients, according to a study performed just last year. So, try these tips to control your back pain. If symptoms persist or worsen, reach out, or you just want to see whether or not someone can help you more than what you're helping yourself. We'd love to help. Chiropractic's a great way to look after your spine if you're doing all the things that you can be doing. It shines the greatest when you're looking after yourself. Even if you're not, when your spine's not moving properly and it's interfering with nerves, it just takes something like winter to make it start to arc up and cause you not to live your best life. We'd love to help out. If you found any of these tips useful, pass it on to a friend. I'll see you on the next video.